Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Number Line Inequations Worksheet. So this video presents a worksheet on inequations, and in this particular case, as well as solving the inequation, we also have to show the solution on a number line. So we also draw the solution on a number line. If you're not sure how to proceed, we've had a lesson on this very topic. So just go to the last slide, click on the link there. It will take you to the lesson and it will explain how to do all these examples. I'll leave this slide on for, say, a minute or so before I move on to the next slide, which contains the answers. I'll move on to the next slide now, and here it is. So this gives you the answers to the previous worksheet. You can check how you went now. I'll leave this on for about a minute or so, but you can pause it for as long as you like. I'll move on to the last slide now, and here it is.